Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning with Anshika. So I hope you all have learned all that I taught you in the last class. I know everyone is busy, it's Navratri time. I wish you all a very happy Navratri. And now it's Diwali, so all are busy with the preparations. But I would request you to please spare a bit of time for your German classes. Yeah? So today we are here to learn about how to compliment someone in German language. What are the complimentary words that we use in German and other commonly used words are English words. How do we say them in German language? What is the pronunciation? What is the spelling? So let's begin with the same. Okay. So guys, now let's begin with our lesson number 5 about the words used in German language. Okay, we are on lesson number 5, Lektion 5. Okay, and words in German is known as Wörter auf Deutsch. It's known as Wörter auf Deutsch. W-O-R-T-E-R. O is with umlaut. It means words auf Deutsch in German. Okay. Okay, so to begin with guys, can you tell me okay, for an example, you have gone out with your friend for shopping, okay, and she has 2-3 dresses with her. She's asking you for a choice, which one is good, which one is a bit fine, okay, and one you like it a lot, excellent or something. So how do you say that? You say, this one's good, yaar, this one's very good, and this one's awesome. So how do we say that in German? Let's start with the same. Good is known as gut in German. Good is known as gut. G-U-T. If you like some dress, how do you say good, yaar? Very good is known as sehr gut. Very good is known as sehr gut. You liked it very much, so you say very good, yaar. Sehr gut. Okay. And if you liked it very much, it's awesome, you'll just love the dress, so you say awesome. Awesome is known as prima in German. Awesome is prima. P-R-I-M-A. It's prima. Please note the pronunciation. You can write down in Hindi, as I always say. It will help you learn easily. Okay. Our super is known as super in German. Super is super. You are like, oh, super, yaar, this plan is super. So how do you say? It's super. Just simply word is same, everything is same, just the pronunciation is changed. It's super. Great is known as toll. Great is known as toll in German. T-O-L-L. And excellent, like you love that dress. The one your friend showed, you just loved it. You say excellent, yaar, this one. So excellent is ausgezeichnet. Ausgezeichnet. It's aus, A-U-S-G-E is gay, Z-E-I-C-H, Zeich, N-E-T, net. I have broken it for your convenience, but please note it is one single word. You have not to make it different. You have not to separate it. No spaces there. Okay. So it is ausgezeichnet. Okay. Next is when you shop with your friend, you are going home. So how do you say bye, take care, see you again? So how do you say that see you again in German or meet you again? It's known as auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. A-U-F, auf. We have already studied this word earlier, if you remember. It's A-U-F, auf. Wieder is W-I-E-D-E-R. Wieder means again. Wieder is again. Sehen is to see something or someone. It's S-E-H-E-N. Sehen. Okay. That is meet you again or see you again. So now, guys, okay, you have a friend who is a bit unwell. So what do you say them? Get well soon, take care, right? So how do we say that in German? Our take care is mach's gut. Even when you are sleeping, you say to your loved ones, sweet dreams, take care. So this is Mach's gut in German. M-A-C-H-S. Mach's gut means take care. Okay. And our get well soon comes as gute Besserung. Gute Besserung. G-U-T-E. Gute. B-E-S-S-E-R-U-N-G. Gute Besserung. Okay. This is known as get well soon. And our bye is known as, when you say bye to your friend, it is known as tschüss. Bye is tschüss. I taught you earlier also that it's a small word that we use in German for bye. It's tschüss. Okay. Next is call you again. Like, okay, you are on a call with your friend and you are like, you have had a great time, you kept on talking, now you are okay, I'll give you a call again. Yeah. So what do you say that in German? It's auf Wiederhören. Hören here stands for to hear someone. Okay. So it is auf Wiederhören, to call someone again, to call again. Okay. Next is sweet dreams. Our sweet dreams is süße Träume. Sweet dreams is süße Träume. This also we have learned earlier. Okay. Okay. Now suppose you have got into any restaurant and you have ordered 1 or 2 dishes, and one of the dishes is like okay, not that bad, other is a bit bad, and other is like ew. So what do we say that in German to bad, very bad? Bad is known as schlecht in German. Bad is known as schlecht. S-C-H-L-E-C-H-T. Schlecht means bad. Very bad is known as furchtbar. Very bad is furchtbar. F-R-U-C-H-T. Furchtbar. B-A-R. Okay. So it is very bad. Okay. Now sure is known as sicher. Sure. Like you say to your friend, okay, sure, I'll be there. So how do you say okay, sure in German? It's okay, sicher. Sicher is S-I-C-H-E-R. Sicher. Okay. Okay remains okay. Sicher is sure. Okay. Machen means to do. We'll be studying all the forms of this, like how to use it. For now you can learn machen means to do something, like you're doing some work or anything. So machen is to do. So after learning all these, we have 4 more. So let's get on with them. Doppel is known as double. Double of something or double is known as Doppel in German. Wohnen is to live. Like someone says you, wo wohnen Sie? Means where do you live? So here live is known as wohnen. Okay. W-O-H-N-E-N. Wohnen. Similarly, trinken is to drink. Someone says you, was trinken Sie? What are you drinking? So it is known as trinken. T-R-I-N-K-E-N. Trinken. Okay. To eat is essen. To eat something is known as essen. E-S-S-E-N. Essen. Okay. So this is enough for the day. Please learn all these, and I guess you'll be enjoying complimenting each other now using these basic German words. Yeah. So please start learning, and in case of any doubts you can just ping me, you can comment below, or you can mail me. I'm right here. And keep enjoying your Diwali celebrations and everything, all the shopping. And please do like, share and subscribe my video. Please, please, please. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.